inductive sensor, reduction factors. How do these different sensors perform, particularly in range, based on the type of metal you're looking for? And in this video, we're going to show a couple different types of metals and what this reduction factor really means. All right, so here I have a steel target. I'm going to bring it closer and closer and closer to the sensor and wait for the output to turn on. So I'm going to set it up in the right where it turns on and mark it. It'll be a rough estimate, but we're really looking for relative values here. Now we're going to bring in brass. So I'm going to keep moving the brass until that goes off, and that's our brass. As you notice, we had to get closer to the sensor. That is the reduction in the distance. That is the reduction factor that we're looking at. And now we bring in aluminum. And let's stop there at the, nope, still doesn't see it. And we're at the next, nope, doesn't see it. And now the output's going to go off as we get a little bit closer, right about where the brass was, and mark that. And then here's copper. We're going to move in closer. And these differences are very small. So reduction factors are taking the main distance of, let's say, iron, the longest range, and it's a multiplier. So we take that and we reduce that distance by a certain amount based on the type of metal. So as you can see here, I bring in copper and I have to get really close to it versus bringing in the steel. It'll detect it at a further distance. All right, now for straight up iron. We'll bring that in and it will get an output before we even get to the location for steel. So I hope that helps clear up what distances on different types of metal with inductive sensors and what reduction factors are. So for more details on these types of sensors, check out my other videos, especially the sensor selection one. It's pretty long, but you can skip through to the different chapters to find the part that's interesting to you and help you get to the right family and the right sensor to test out. So I hope this helps you choose the right sensor for your application. Please hit the subscribe button and come back next Tuesday for more sensor secrets. And please keep those questions coming in the chat. See you next time.